What if I told you that having $500,000 saved for retirement could mean you're either doing great or dangerously behind? Most Americans believe hitting a big number like $1 million automatically means they're financially secure. The reality is that your age, savings rate, and investment strategy matter just as much as the number itself. That's why millions of people think they're on track when they're actually not. In today's video, we're revealing the retirement milestones most Americans never check, the hidden mistake that quietly destroys retirement plans, and how to see exactly where you stand today. Welcome back to American Dream Finance. By the end, you'll have a simple framework to determine if you're ahead, behind, or right on track. And the most important lesson comes at the very end. Your future retirement could depend on what you learn in the next few minutes. The most important question for Americans in 2026. Are you actually on track for retirement? Let's start with a simple question. If you stopped working at age 67, would your current savings be enough? Most Americans have no idea. Many people check their bank account, see a six-figure balance, and assume they're doing fine. Others compare themselves to friends, coworkers, or social media influencers and feel behind. The problem is that neither method tells you whether you're actually on track. A person with $100,000 saved at age 35 may be doing great. Another person with $500,000 saved at age 55 may be far behind. Without a benchmark, the number itself means almost nothing. This is where many retirement conversations go wrong. For years, financial media has focused on one giant retirement number. You need $1 million to retire. The reality is much more complicated. For some households, $1 million may be enough. For others, it may not even be close. Your retirement readiness depends on several factors: your current age, your income, how much you're saving, how your money is invested, when you plan to retire, future Social Security benefits. That's why financial professionals often use milestone benchmarks instead of one final number. A practical framework many Americans use looks like this. Age 35, around $100,000 plus saved. Age 45, around $250,000 plus saved. Age 55, around $500,000 plus saved. Age 67, $1 million plus saved. These are not guarantees, they are checkpoints. Think of them like mile markers on a highway. If you're driving from New York to Florida, you don't wait until the end of the trip to see whether you're headed in the right direction. You check your progress along the way. Retirement planning works exactly the same way. Here's another mistake many people make. They focus only on the amount saved and ignore their investments. That's a major error. Someone who keeps most of their retirement money in cash may need significantly more savings than someone who owns a diversified portfolio of stock index funds and bonds. Your asset allocation matters. Your investment strategy matters. Your time horizon matters. The goal isn't just to accumulate money. The goal is to make your money work efficiently over decades. And that's why asking, how much money should I have saved by my age, is one of the most important financial questions any American can ask in 2026. Because before you can improve your retirement plan, you first need to know where you stand today. Now that you understand the problem, let's talk about the solution. The good news is this: you do not need to be perfect. You simply need a system. Many Americans think they need a huge salary to build retirement wealth. That isn't true. The biggest factor is usually consistency, not income. Let's imagine two workers. One earns $70,000 per year and invests consistently for 30 years. The other earns $120,000 per year, but constantly delays investing. In many cases, the first person ends up with more retirement wealth. Why? Because time is the most powerful asset in investing. Every year you delay investing is a year that compound growth cannot work for you. Step 1. Know your retirement number.
Before investing another dollar, calculate where you stand today. Ask yourself, how old am I? How much do I currently have invested? What is my annual income? How much am I saving each year? Then compare your numbers to the milestone checkpoints. For many Americans, the goal is not to hit the benchmark immediately. The goal is to understand the gap. You cannot improve what you do not measure. Step 2. Increase your savings rate before chasing higher returns. A common mistake is searching for the next hot stock. Most people would benefit far more from increasing their savings rate. For example, if someone earning $80,000 increases retirement contributions from 8% to 15%, the long-term impact can be enormous. That's often more powerful than trying to find the perfect investment. Savings rate creates the engine. Investment returns accelerate the engine. You need both. Step 3. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Many Americans ignore some of the most powerful wealth-building tools available. These include 401k plans, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, health savings accounts, HSA, especially if your employer offers a 401k match. Ignoring a company match is often equivalent to turning down free compensation. If your employer matches contributions, prioritize getting the full match whenever possible. Free money compounds too. Step 4. Build a portfolio designed for growth. Retirement savings should not sit idle for decades. Historically, diversified stock investments have generated significantly more long-term growth than cash savings accounts. That does not mean taking reckless risks. It means creating a balanced portfolio that matches your age and risk tolerance. A younger worker may hold more stocks. Someone approaching retirement may gradually increase bonds and reduce volatility. The key lesson? The goal is not maximum risk. The goal is appropriate risk. Step 5. Stop comparing yourself to other people. One of the biggest retirement mistakes today is comparison. Social media makes it look like everyone is becoming rich overnight. Most of that is noise. Retirement wealth is usually built slowly, month after month, year after year, decade after decade. Focus on your progress, not someone else's highlight reel. Consistency beats comparison. The reality most Americans need to hear. If you're behind today, that doesn't mean you failed. It simply means you need a plan. Many people dramatically improve their retirement outlook during their 40s and 50s. Higher income years, catch-up contributions, delayed retirement, and disciplined investing can all change the outcome. What matters most is taking action now, because every year you wait makes the challenge harder, and every year you invest gives compound growth more time to work for you. The best retirement plan is not the perfect plan. It's the plan you actually follow. Let's bring everything together. After all the retirement formulas, savings targets, investment strategies, and benchmarks, the most important lesson is surprisingly simple. Retirement success is not about hitting a perfect number. It's about consistently moving in the right direction. Many Americans spend years worrying about whether they will ever reach $1 million. But the better question is, are you making progress every year? Because retirement is not built in one big moment. It's built through thousands of small financial decisions. Every paycheck, every contribution, every year you stay invested. Those decisions compound over time. What should you do today? Start with these 5 actions. 1. Calculate your current number. Open your retirement accounts. Add up everything: 401k, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, brokerage accounts, other retirement investments. Don't guess. Know your real number. Clarity creates confidence. 2. Compare yourself to a real benchmark. Use the milestones from this video as a quick reality check. Age-based savings targets. Age 35, $100,000 plus. Age 45, $250,000 plus. Age 55, $500,000 plus. Age 67, $1 million plus. Remember, these are guideposts, not guarantees, not deadlines,
not reasons to panic. They're simply checkpoints to help measure progress. 3. Increase contributions immediately. If you're contributing 8% today, can you increase it to 10%? If you're contributing 10%, can you move to 12%? Small increases matter. A 2% increase may feel insignificant today. Over 20 or 30 years, it can translate into tens or even hundreds of thousands of additional retirement dollars. Small actions repeated consistently create massive results. 4. Stay invested during market declines. This is where many retirement plans fail. People love investing when markets rise. They panic when markets fall. Yet, historically, some of the best long-term opportunities have appeared during periods of fear and uncertainty. Market downturns are uncomfortable, but they are also a normal part of investing. Temporary declines are not permanent losses unless you quit. 5. Review your plan once per year. You don't need to obsess over your portfolio every day. In fact, that's often harmful. Instead, schedule one annual retirement review. Ask yourself, am I saving enough? Am I increasing contributions? Is my portfolio aligned with my goals? Am I closer to retirement readiness than last year? If the answer is yes, you're moving forward. The biggest takeaway. The real purpose of a retirement benchmark is not to judge you, it's to guide you. Whether you're ahead, behind, or exactly on target today, your future is not determined by your current balance alone. It's determined by the actions you take next. A person with $50,000 invested and a disciplined plan can outperform someone with $500,000 who stops saving and abandons their strategy. Because wealth is not just about what you've accumulated, it's about what you consistently do going forward. So here's the question I want every American watching this video to answer today. If you checked your retirement savings right now, would you be proud of your progress, or would you finally realize it's time to make a change? Because the best time to improve your retirement plan was years ago. The second best time is today. Your future retirement is being built by the financial decisions you make this week, not someday. Start now, stay consistent, let time do the heavy lifting.
That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next Smart Money video.